Hey, welcome to the Stupid Food Review Show. I'm your host, as always, Jesus in a Tortilla. We're at Dairy Queen. They brought it. It's their Blizzard of the month. The red velvet, which I don't even like red velvet because it's just like chocolate as far as I'm concerned. I don't even understand it. I don't know why they make it. I don't know why it's so popular. Red velvet is hugely popular and everybody wants cupcakes and cookies, but I don't think anybody likes it. They just liked the fact that it's a new flavor. That's all. I mean, it's nice. It's kind of like chocolate. There's a lot of big chewy chunks of red velvet cake in it, which is kind of gross and annoying. It's not crunchy. It's just these little dense little nuggets of red velvet cake. Wow, this sucks. The frozen hot chocolate last week was so much better than this. Ugh. Gross. It's almost $5 for this size, by the way. Almost $5 for just a ridiculous tasting thing. Well, there you go. It's the dessert of the month at Dairy Queen. Red velvet. Tastes like chocolate cake. There's so many chunks of that cake. You can't miss it. You try to avoid it. No. I'm done now. There you go. Only at DQ. The red velvet blizzard. I don't know. I didn't really like it. It was, I liked the, frozen hot chocolate. That was good. This is just, I don't know. It's red velvet, I guess. That was, look at that chunk of cake. That is gross. Gross! I'm going to say 5.5. Love you guys. Love you, babe.